Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chennai. So it is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for associate position. So it is from Cognizant Technology Services from Chennai. So for this position, qualification will be Bachelor's in Science, Engineering or equivalent. And coming to responsibilities, requirement understanding and analysis, understand the functional or non-functional requirements, and you need to participate in client calls and prepare the clarification list to seek clarifications, and prepare the list of requirements and seek review inputs from the key stakeholders, and you need to update requirements traceability matrix, and you need to create impact analysis document to understand the impact on the existing functionality as required. So these are the responsibilities. You please check with the design provided here, and if you are interested to apply for this position from Cognizant, so the link is available in the description to apply, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for office executive position. So it is for ICICI Bank from Chennai, and for this position qualification will be 10th pass, 12th pass, BCom, MCom, graduate, postgraduate and MBA, and it is open to all the candidates, and the salary would be 15,000 to 43,000 rupees per month. And coming to job description, they should know first ICICI Bank description below before get apply online. So you need to manage overall banking, financial ops and ABIC work, like adhere to prescribed TAT or SLAs for trade financial products, and you need to prepare KYC, MIS and BRS reports, and you need to build relationship with customers in your area, that is like Anna Nagar, Chennai. So the candidates should have excellent communication skills and knowledge of some banking terms and process, and also knowledge of some banking operation works. So this is about the job description. So if you are suitable to apply for this position, if you are looking for this type of job role, then it will be very good opportunity. So interested candidates, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for process associate position. So it is from Amazon. So graduates are eligible to apply in any discipline. So ability to adhere to an SOP driven process and execute high judgment actions and accuracy as per defined SOPs, and possesses excellent written and oral communication skills and fluent in spoken and written English, and should be able to dive deep, identify the root cause of the issues, and work on potential solutions with the team members or managers to fix them. So you should be having the ability to use a desktop or laptop, familiarity with Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook and MS Office, and home environment free from background noise, and where you can connect to the internet and work on your deliverables. So these are the qualifications, like requirements. You please check with the rest of the requirements mentioned here. So if you are looking for this type of job role and interested candidates, the link is available in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for engineer PLM position. So it is from Hitachi ABB Power Grids. So it is from Chennai. And coming to responsibilities, you need to support the global PLM user base in all PLM process and application related issues, analyze and troubleshoot problems, and suggest workarounds and root cause analysis, and issue routing assignment and monitoring, and you need to resolve any issues that can be fixed by configuration and application monitoring, predictive analysis, manage interface and data integration, and user access management, review and analyze incident, and fix bugs in customization code base. So these are the responsibilities, and you can also check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. So if you are looking for this type of job role, the link is available in the description to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can please proceed with this. Next one, there is a job opening for process executive for data. So it is from Cognizant Technology Services from Chennai. So for this position, qualification will be graduate exclusion like BTech, BE or MCA for medical management, bachelor's degree in nursing or any health science related field for any high school equivalent. So these are the qualification details, and coming to responsibilities, like you need to provide highest level of customer satisfaction, and you need to strive to understand and resolve issues or queries at the time instance, and maintain the business controls as per the requirement. So these are the responsibilities. So you please check with all the details mentioned here. So interested candidates, the link is available in the description to apply for this process executive position. So you please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for junior secretariat assistant position. So it is from CLRA. So it is from Chennai, and 7 vacancies are available for this position, and age limit should be 18 to 38 years, and the qualification will be 12th, and mode of application will be online, and selection process will be written exam and interview will be there to select the candidate. So salary will be 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month for this position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for consulting partner medical devices SME. So it is from Wipro, and here are the some of the job details, like job description is mentioned. So you please check with all the details mentioned here. So if you are interested for this type of consulting partner position, so you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service representative position. So it is from CTEL, so it is from Chennai, and for this you should be like age limit should be 18 to 35 years, and qualification will be intermediate or plus 2 equivalent, and maximum qualification would be graduates. Undergraduates like can be considered, but should not be regular college students. So like experience will be any undergraduates or graduate freshers are also eligible to apply for this job role, and you should be having exceptional spoken skills in English, and it will be rotational. So rotational shifts will be there, and should be comfortable to work in all shifts. So the candidates need to work in rotational shifts. So salary will be as per the market standards. So a note will be provided here in that any candidate applying for this position should be okay to work from the office. So I need to work from office. So interested candidates, please check here with all the details, and if you are interested to apply for this job role, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for officer bank sales executive position. So it is from Equitas Small Finance Bank from Chennai. So it is in the Department of Sales or Business Development, and salary will be as per the company standards and according to your interview, and it will be a full-time small finance bank job, and it will be day shift, and hours will be banking hours. So more than 6 months of sales or marketing experience is required to apply for this position. So 6 months of experience is required for this position. So coming to job requirement, the candidate would be responsible for dealing with any and all customer questions, about the products and services the company offers, and you need to build long-term relationships with clients and customers nearby Kilpack, Chennai area, and you need to work quickly to address and resolve customer issues, and the candidates looking for retail field sales jobs nearby Chennai can also apply directly over here. So these are the job requirements. So if you are looking for this type of job role, the link is available in the description to apply for this position, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for automation engineer position. So it is from Hippo Video. So it is from Chennai. And coming to job skills, you should be having 2 to 5 years of proven experience as a quality engineer, and also experience in writing and reviewing test plans and test cases, and experienced in service and UI automation, hands-on test lifecycle, UT or SIT or UAT, and you should be having hands-on programming languages like having experience and knowledge in Java, C Hash, Ruby, and hands-on automation tools such as Selenium, Cucumber, TestNG, etc. And also hands-on in Selenium, like we have already discussed about this. Like you should be having knowledge in any JavaScript test framework, and knowledge of microservice or REST API, and knowledge of video editing like video testing or encoding will be an added advantage. So these are the job skills, and coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to perform smoke, regression, integration testing, be a quality champion, and you need to work closely with the development team and set forth the quality criteria, defect metrics for release decisions. So you need to design code and implementation of test automation framework, and you need to write and maintain test cases, test plans for the product requirements. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. So you can go through with that.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.